Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we'll start functions used in Python. Okay, so let us start. So how functions are working, just let us see. So before that, first we'll see understanding the functions. Okay, so what is functions? A function is a sub-program that acts on data and often returns a value. Means a large program is broken into smaller units, which is known as functions. The most important reason is use functions is to make program handling easier and reduce the program size. It can reduce the size and it can help a program more readable and understandable to a programmer. A function once defined can be invoked as many times. Number of times if you want, you can invoke also. So now we'll see the functions syntax. The syntax given here, first is define, def is written, and calc value is the name of the functions. So after that, def means it is the functions definition, it is a keyword. Then calc value is the name of the functions. X, it is a parameter, value given to a functions, we can say it is an argument or parameters. And colon is given, just means we are writing some more lines below the functions, means it is treated as a block, and some statements we are writing below the functions. Okay, next, how to call or invoke a functions. Calling a functions, to use functions that has been defined earlier, you need to write a function call statements in Python. The syntax to call functions are: functions name first you write, then value to be passed. Example, I have given calc sum, within bracket I have written 34. So 34 is the value to be passed in a functions. Next, we'll discuss type of the functions. The first type is built-in functions. That means which are ready-made. That means some fixed functions are there, just like len, input, etc. And functions define modules, the next one. So here we can use the modules, means just one example I have given you, see sine, but it is under math module. Okay, that means it is under math module, means when you use the math module, then only we can use the sine. And next one is user defined, where user can define the functions themselves by using the def functions. So let us see the definitions of the functions. The way of defining functions in Python is given below by showing some example. That means how functions we are using in a program. So I have given here to you def sum x comma y and s equal to x plus y. So now x comma y, it is a parameter, s equal to x plus y, that is the statements. Here also in the same way, in the right side one I have given no arguments, and in the definition type, first one I have given some parameters or arguments. Okay, first sum is the name of the functions, def is the keyword we are using, and argument we are passing. So one programs I have written, so in practically I have done it. So you can also do at home. So I have written here, you see def calc sum x comma y, s equal to x plus y, return s, but at last I have written num1 equal to this, num2 equal to, and again I am calling calc sum and stored in sum. You see I have written here, but remember one thing, no need to write the main functions to execute. So without writing main functions also you can execute these functions. Okay, I hope you understood. So when we are calling something, when we are calling, that means here the functions calling another functions is called the caller, and functions being called, functions are called callee. So here which one is called? Okay, the functions calling another function. So which function is calling another function? So the main function is calling the another functions calc sum. So we can say main functions is the caller, and your calc sum is called callee. So I hope you understood. Read the notes thoroughly and do the practicals. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.